Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got Birchbox. This has been an ordeal. Not from Birchbox, they have been bloody amazing, but Hermes have stole my parcel. Basically my order from Birchbox was sent to Hermes. Today is the 16th of October and Hermes got my parcel on the 6th of October on a 2-day delivery, and they have literally just, they're just not bringing it to me. The Hermes lady and me had a falling out because she's an idiot, and now she's stealing parcels. So I contacted Birchbox and said Hermes aren't delivering my parcel. They can see on their tracking that they aren't delivering it. So they very kindly sent me one via Royal Mail. I pay for this myself. This is nothing to do, this is not PR, this is just me buying the boxes. But yeah, so this is my long awaited Birchbox, which I'm pretty sure it's a bag this month. I was really excited. I've seen my friends do it and I thought it looked so nice. I was gutted that mine wasn't here yet. Self-love is the best kind of love. Birchbox, if you don't know, is a beauty box. It's I got a really good deal. I got 6 months for like £34 on a deal. I'll leave links down below, and if they've got any really good deals at the moment, I'll put on the screen that they've got them as of today. But it's a beauty box. I cancelled it before because you get quite small samples compared to the likes of Glossy Box and Look Fantastic and Rocker, but it was such a good deal. I thought I can't really pass it up. It's usually in a box, but this month it's in a bag, which I love. Look, I love that. Really pretty. Self-love is the best kind of love. I agree. So yeah, this is the bag. Let's have a look what's inside. Well, actually, let's look in this first. So it says, hello Birchboxers. This month we are excited to be transforming your October Birchbox into a stylish tote bag, decorated with a very important reminder that self-love is the best kind of love. What's more, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and throughout the month we'll be sharing ways you can join us by championing early detection and supporting those undergoing cancer treatment. Feel your boobs. Stop this video, pause it right now, feel your boobs. Or if you're a boy and you're watching this, feel your balls, check for lumps, see a doctor if there's anything out of the ordinary. I'll leave some links down below of things that can potentially be a worry. I have had a scare in the past where I had a lump in my boob, this one, and I had to have a biopsy with a really big needle, and it was scary, but it showed that it was okay. So it was scary, but I did it and I'm okay. So copper feel immediately. Okay, so let's have a look what we've got. The first thing I've got is a Argani Care natural hair care ricin. Is ricin not a poison? Castor oil conditioner for all hair types. Never heard of this before. It says ricin on it. I'm pretty sure that is what Walt used in Breaking Bad to poison someone, and someone just tried to kill Trump with it. So yeah. Full size one of these is £9. Perfect those that regularly dye, straighten or use harsh styling products on their hair. Castor oil, vitamin E, argan oil pack conditioner gives hair moisture while gently cleansing. The unique formula calms the scalp, promotes healthy hair growth and helps reduce breakage and shedding. So that sounds nice. My hair is knackered. I'll definitely use it. Next, we've got Anatomicals, the Shower of Love, the Bergamot Cream with Body Cleanser. Ooh. Anatomicals, full size. Oh, this is, I think this is might be a full size. This is £2. Are you a full size, or I don't know. This is a Birchbox exclusive. It soothes and clears your skin while lifting away impurities and dirt. Suitable for sensitive skin. The foaming cream formula leaves skin feeling soft. Perfect for your morning shower ritual. So it is a shower one. Oh, it smells good. Anatomical stuff always smells really nice. So yeah, that's lovely. Are they cruelty free? I'm trying to go cruelty free at the moment. I will see if that is and put it on the screen. Next. Balance Me Beauty Sleep Hyaluronic Mist. Ooh. That says it's vegan. Full size one of these is 20 quid. Great skin starts with a great night's sleep. This mist, which is packed with hyaluronic acid, chamomile, lavender and CBD oil, all my favourite things, work to hydrate, plump and smooth your neck and chest and lull you into a peaceful, uninterrupted slumber. 1 gram of hyaluronic acid can hold up to 6 litres of water. Hyaluronic acid is amazing. Let's have a little. Well, that's quite a vicious spray. I don't think I want that in. That's like a, can you see it shooting? It's like not a mist at all. It smells amazing, but be careful because if, it might be my pump is faulty, but that would just like fully shoot you in the eye. So be aware of that. Next up, I've got Anna Sue, and it's an eye makeup remover. This is £12 full size. This is not full size, obviously. Oh, it's rose scented. It is a double layered eye makeup remover. Smoothly sweeps away all traces of makeup without irritating your delicate eye skin. Packed with olive oil, fruit and raspberry seed extract, it glides smoothly onto the skin. And you can look on their website for a full list of ingredients. Shake the bottle and then pour a little onto cotton pad, wipe away makeup. I hate rose, so I'm not going to use it. I'm going to give it to one of my friends. I've just thrown it somewhere. But it's a pretty bottle. But yeah, I'm not going to use that. What's last in here? What are you? Kiss and Smink. Say goodbye to fiddly makeup brushes and hello to effortless creamy colour. This multi-purpose cream stick can be used on cheeks, lips and lids or anywhere. Best applied with fingers. Pat this warm fiery shade onto lips and cheeks with a no fuss flush. This is full size and it's £15. And it's called a Santorini. It looks quite orange. I don't wear blush because I am pink as shit on my own. Thanks, Mum. But I'll probably use it on my lips. Wow, yeah, that would... It's very pretty, but that is quite orange and quite shimmery. Right, so it says do it with your finger. And I'll put it... Oh, it's pretty. It's shimmery, but yeah, that is like... That's like a liquid highlighter, but... It's very, very dark orangey red. You can sheer it out. It does go quite pretty if you sheer it out, but again, that's far too pink for me. Oh, it's a stain, isn't it? Whoops. But I'd use it on my lips. That's really nice. £15 seems like quite a lot, but I've not heard of this brand before. I'll have a look and see if that's kind of like a normal pricing for them, but it's nice. Overall, I'm really happy with that. I will definitely use these. If they're all cruelty free, I will double check and I'll just put it on the screen if everything is cruelty free or not, or if anything isn't. The Anna Sue thing I would use, but it's rose, so I'm not going to. But yeah, that was October's Birchbox bag. Very, very late. Fuck off, Hermes. So yeah, if you like these videos, please give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye, guys.